Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use OBB files for PUBG. OBB files are crucial for PUBG Mobile, as they contain the main game data, including graphics, media, and other assets. Without the correct OBB file, the game will not launch or function properly on your device. Understanding their purpose is the first step to manually managing your game installation. Let's dive into how to handle them. Sometimes, you might need to manually install an OBB file for PUBG Mobile. This is often necessary when automatic updates fail, or if you're trying to install a specific version of the game not available through official app stores. Manual installation can also help troubleshoot issues like download failed because the resources could not be found. It gives you more control over your game's data. Let's look at the steps. To manually install, first download both the PUBG Mobile APK and its corresponding OBB file from a trusted source. Next, use a file manager to navigate to your device's internal storage. Create a folder named COM, Tencent, IG inside the Android/OB directory if it doesn't exist. Then, move the downloaded OBB file into this new folder. Finally, install the APK file you downloaded earlier. Ensure the OBB file is in place before launching the game. When handling OBB files, always prioritize security by downloading from reputable sources to avoid malware. It's also vital to ensure that the OBB file version precisely matches your APK file to prevent compatibility issues and game crashes. Double-check the file names and sizes before proceeding with the installation. For more tips and to find great deals on e-readers, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers. Enjoy your game!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.